So now let's see how we can go ahead and work around with Desaturate effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and do that, you need to go around onto the File menu and then go to Import right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go around and select out, let's say for example, an image that you want to go ahead and desaturate, and then simply go ahead and import it out. So now what I'm going to do is to desaturate it, I'm going to go around onto the effects menu and then go to adjust right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can go ahead on to desaturate, and it simply desaturates the image right here just like this, and it becomes black and white. So if I were to go around and enable and disable it, this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now I can simply go ahead and do the same for the other image as well. So let's just go around and bring in this image. So now I can go around onto effects, then go to adjust, and then I can desaturate it. And this is what you have right here, just like this. And that is how you can work around with Desaturate effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.